What's the meaning of binomial? Binomial. Binomial.
Binomial. Binomial. Binomial refers to a mathematical concept that involves two possible outcomes, often represented as success or failure. It is commonly used in probability theory and statistics to model the likelihood of a particular event occurring. In a binomial experiment, there are a fixed number of trials, each with the same probability of success. The outcomes of the trials are independent of each other. Binomial distributions can be used to calculate the probability of a certain number of successes in a given number of trials. Binomials' versatility has made it a fundamental concept in applied mathematics, economics, engineering, and other fields.